I welcome you to this very momentous occasion. In any marriage ceremony, it's the joining of two lives that have had different paths but come to this one point. So thank you for coming to celebrate this occasion. And it's been, I guess the journey began about 5 years ago, maybe a little bit longer, when they first met and then developed a friendship and then a closer relationship. And then last year when we began the effort to get Apple here on this side of the ocean, and so this occasion could happen. And I know there's other family members they wish they could have here. Apple has family across the ocean, but hopefully we got a setup here where they can participate. And Chris has other family in Michigan and elsewhere. So thank you for being here. We're making this as a video and trying to create memories so they can look back upon this occasion as the joining of their two lives together. So welcome. At this time, I would like to invite everyone to stand, and we're going to sing "In Christ Alone" as our opening song. And if you know